Introducing the P3, a revolutionary 3D printed carbon fiber electric drift trike. This unique drift trike is built with 3 powerful electric motors that will thrill a drifter's need for speed, whether on the racetrack, in parking lots, or just buzzing around the neighborhood. The P3 features dual 3,000-watt belt drive motors and a triple split axle design used to accelerate each wheel independently for maximum high-speed controlled drifting. Designed by Vincent DeMare, the P3 was created because of his love for big wheels. The neck was inspired by the Cobra for its quick movement in the wild, and the nose that looks like the F-22 Raptor fighter jet. Its sleek stealth body has a rear drivetrain modeled after a Formula One race car with retro A-Team stylized rims for some flair. The Uni-Body consists of a triple-layer composite fused over the 3D printed design. The first layer is made of S-glass for its superior tensile strength. Then, a unidirectional carbon fiber layer for its incredible stiffness and its lightweight qualities. The outer layer is comprised of Kevlar for its abrasion resistance to handle any road or track conditions. Coated with a pearlescent green body color that will fascinate any drift trike enthusiast with a touch of carbon fiber twill inlay for the accented features. The P3 carbon fiber tubed triple clamp fork maneuvers the 26-inch Fat Boy tire. Powered by a 3-speed 1,500-watt electric motor, it will take anything off the line that it goes against. The Haro BMX freestyle handlebars are equipped with a twist throttle for the front motor, while simultaneously operating 2 thumb throttles on each end for the rear motors and 2 reactive hydraulic disc brakes in the rear for precise drifting around any obstacle you encounter. The P3 is guarded by lock and key with a series of switches that independently control each electric motor to switch from low to high torque. The digital smart display not only monitors your speed, battery level, and current, but also controls the airflow so the battery packs stay cool. Blast your favorite soundtrack on the triple Bluetooth sound system. Blow by your competition while sitting in a fully padded carbon fiber racing seat. Inside the P3 are controllers that operate the 3 impressive 60-volt battery packs and high-speed cooling fans. The Uni-Body is designed with 2 front vents to move the airflow through the body and out to the back of the dual exhaust pipes for maximum cooling. This unique P3 drift trike is looking to collaborate with well-known manufacturers in the country for performance parts to develop the ultimate drift trike rider experience. Let's ride!